Hi, I'm Elle and welcome to eSpares. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the door lock on this Samsung ecobubble washing machine. If you find when you try and start your washing machine that you either can't see this door lock icon or you have the code DC, this indicates that there may be a fault with the door lock. However, if you do see this, it could just mean that the door is not fully closed. So give it a firm push and then press the start button. And if your washing machine runs as normal, then you've solved your problem. But if not, you need to inspect the door lock because it will probably be at fault. For this replacement, you'll need a flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of pliers to get the job done. And remember to always make sure that your appliance is switched off and unplugged from the wall before carrying out any work. First, you're going to want to open the washing machine door and remove the clamp. The clamp is a circular wire that's wrapped around the edge of the door seal. For this, you'll need your flat blade screwdriver. So to remove it, first you'll need to find the spring. Then just grab your screwdriver, pop it in between the spring and the door seal, and just run the screwdriver around to lever it free. Next up, you'll need to grab your Phillips head screwdriver and just remove the two screws here that are holding the door lock assembly in place. Now you just need to pull the door seal back, reach in behind and just remove the whole door lock assembly. At this point, you'll notice that the electrical connections are still connected, here and here. You might want to make a mental note of where they are, but on this machine, they can actually go in only one way, so you can't go too far wrong. For this part of the repair, you may be able to remove the connections just with your fingers. But if you find the connections are a bit stiff, or especially for this back connection here, you might find it easier to use a pair of needle nose pliers. So, with your old door lock removed, it's time to fit your new one. To do this, you will need your washing machine's model number, which you can see here on this machine. This is so you can get the correct spare part for your appliance, but if you're not sure how to find the model information, just see our video up here and it will tell you. To fit your new door lock, first of all you'll need to refit the electrical connections, just making sure that you connect each one in the right place. Now just reinsert your door lock assembly back where your old one was, just lining up this square here with this square and this switch into this hole. So if you just keep your hand behind the assembly while you're refitting the two screws, this will help you to keep it in place. So just start with my fingers and finish off with the screwdriver. In the process of this repair, you'll probably find your door seals come quite loose. So just make sure to refit it by pushing the lip of the seal over the entire edge of the washing machine like so. Finally, we just need to refit the seal clamp in place. So start by lining up the spring in between the gap here, and then just run the clamp round. It can be a bit stiff, so you will need to pull on it a little bit, and then just clip it into place. And there you have it, how to replace the door lock on your Samsung ecobubble washing machine. Now when you start a cycle, you should see the door lock icon appear as normal, with no error code on the display panel, and your machine should run as normal. Now that your machine's back in action and the door is locking properly again, it's worth getting to know all of the features and benefits that your machine has to offer. Check out our video down here for our complete guide to washing machine settings. While you're here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for appliance repairs, maintenance guides and all other things eSpares. Thanks for watching.